I am still very much bullish on Bitcoin. If you look at this very price level, market is at 43.9k, and I am still expecting that this market move to the upside, like I talked about in my immediate last video. And on Solana, if you look at this market is in a downtrend at the moment, and all of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. And also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. If you look at this very area on the Bitcoin price action 1-day chart, it discovered that the market, after a breakout, came back down to this very zone of $40,000, so 49k around this area, and the market rejection into this level of resistance. So we have resistance right at this point, resistance at this very area, and where the market is right now is a resistance level, which is very important. So what I am paying attention to is, since the market broke out, we see a breakout here and then came back down, I am expecting continuation to the upside. So if the market did not go below this very area of $41,000 and $40,000, there is no need looking for short opportunity on the 1-day chart. In as much as we see the market within this very price level of 44k and this very price level of $40,000, the market is still very much bullish. Okay, so I am still expecting that this market move to the upside regardless where the market is right now. And like I told you in my immediate last video, that the possibility of the market breaking out on this level of support exists is very possible. Nothing is impossible in the market. Market can come back right down and we have a breakout here and continue into this very level of $37,000. But right now, that possibility for me is very, very little, and that is why I am looking at the market moving a little bit downward and then continuation to the upside. So it will be better to look for buy opportunity on the 1-day chart BTC USDT instead of shorting the market, because we are still in an uptrend. If you look at it, market move upward, come back down, move, come back down, will not create a new low at this very point, and then move up again, create a new high. That means after this correction, market have capacity of moving up again. So this is what you must have to pay attention to, in as much as we've not seen any new low from this very level to this very area, even to where the market is right now. But we've been seeing higher high from this very high to this very high, even up to this very high. So that means the market is still moving upward. So therefore, look for buy opportunity regardless. Even if the market move down, a buy is still possible for the 1-day chart BTC USDT. So I'm still very much bullish for the market to move to the upside right now on the 1-day chart BTC. And on the 4-hour chart here, I talked to you about this very level of resistance. And if you look at it for the past 2 days, this resistance have been holding in the market. Now, it's not just a resistance, but it's a resistance that have played out in the past. If you look at this very area, it's the same thing with this very level, and also the same thing with where the market is right now. Okay, so this resistance is also a resistance at this very point, which is a very, very strong level. Before you can take a buy position, we must have to see a breakout of this very level of resistance. This is a very important resistance that must have to break. Once you see that breakout, market is going to move into this next level where the market created a new high at $45,000. So this is what I am still expecting right now. That means if you do not see a breakout of this very level of resistance right here, then look for short opportunity. That means market should be coming down. And one thing about shorting the market at this very area is, if you look at this very point, if you draw this trend line at this very area, this is a very clear horizontal line, and then from this very area where we see this very drop, and then where the market is right now, you see this market is already forming this very triangular pattern. So this triangular pattern is already in play. So that means before you can take a short position, we have to see a breakout of this line of support, then the market is going to move downward, and the possible target is this very area of $42,000 and this other price level of $4,700. So if you see a breakout, market is going to come into this very area, and this is your first target. And then if you see a breakout right here on this level of resistance, so a breakout on this level of resistance will send the market into this very price level of $45,000. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the chart. A breakout here is send the market back down into this price level, and a breakout here is going to send the market to the upside into this very price level. So this very level of resistance is a very important and critical resistance on the chart right now. So pay attention to this, watch this very level. ETH USDT for our chart. Market is trading at 2.2k, and in my last video I told you that the market is going to go down and that you should look for short opportunity. Market moved down a little bit, and right now approaching this level of resistance. I tell you that this level of resistance is a very important level which you need to watch on the chart. That means if we do not see a breakout of this level of resistance, there is no need taking a long position. This is not only a resistance that is just forming on the chart right now, but if you look at historical price action, it has obeyed at this very point as support, this area as support, and this very point as well as resistance, which means when markets move up, we need to see a breakout of this level to the upside. So if we see a breakout, then that means we can then start looking for long opportunity on the chart for the market to continue this movement to the upside. Anyway, look for short opportunity right now on the ETH chart, except you see a breakout from here. That is when you have to turn your directional bias for a long position. So for me, this market is still going to move to the downside in as much as we are still below this level of resistance on the chart right now. So for ETH, markets have capacity of moving upward right now, as you can see, and then from this region the market is going to come back to the downside. This is what I am expecting right now. So you have to wait for the market to move upward. Then when we begin to see some bearish presence within this very area of resistance, then market is going to come back down. And if we see a breakout that break and close above this very area right here, then it means that the market is going to begin to move to the upside. So these are two possible scenarios that you have to watch right now on the charts on ETH USDT for our chart right now. Solana right here play out as expected. I told you that the market is going to move down and you should short the market. If you watch this very video on the channel, you can confirm that yourself. So right now Solana moved right down into this very price level of $85, and we are seeing this very retracement in the market. So for me, this is a retracement for a continuation to the downside. So all you need to do right now on Solana is to wait for the market to correct. So after this correction, market is going to continue back down. So for Solana, you have to also look for short opportunity. So why are you shorting on Solana? The market is already in a downtrend already, okay? So if you look at it, market from here has been moving downward, creating new lows. So we have a new close at this area, a new close at this area, a new close at this very point. So this is an indication that the market is trending to the downside, and what you have to do is to look for short opportunity. So after this retracement, market is going to move down, and I am expecting this very area to be a possible zone where retracement is going to pause before continuation to the downside. So expect the market to move upward and then continuation. So look for short opportunity on Solana. So for the fact that market move upward does not mean market is going to begin to buy to the upside. We must have to see a significant break of structure. So market move up, and then from here look for short opportunity to the downside. This is what you must have to watch right now on the Solana chart. I am still expecting the market to come back to the downside on the 4-hour chart, and on all the charts. The price level you have to pay attention to is this very area, market retracement and then continuation to the downside on all this. So if you see the market begin to move upward, just like you can see right now, market move upward is not a buy opportunity. Market is still going to move to the downside. This is what I am expecting right now on these various charts. So for Audi, look for short opportunity after this retracement upward. So market retrace into this area, a possible short opportunity after a significant bearish presence within this zone of resistance. Market is going to move downward, and this is the area that you have to pay attention to short the market when you see that bearish presence in the market within this area. That also means that if we see a breakout that break above this very area of resistance with bullish candle, then that means market is going to go upward. So these are the two things you must have to pay attention to when market come into this very zone of resistance, because it's a very, very important zone of resistance that we are seeing right now on this very chart. A recap of today's technical analysis is that on all day, market is going to move upward a little bit for retracement, and then from here continuation to the downside. So look for short opportunity, and a breakout here, market is going to move upward. And for Solana, market is going to retrace into this area and then come back down. So look for short opportunity as well on Solana at this very price level of resistance. And for ETH, the same thing, look for short opportunity. Market have capacity of moving into this area, and then from here a short trade will be a nice thing to do for market to come back to the downside. And if we see a breakout above this level of resistance, that means market is going to move upward. Market is going to move down from this area, and don't take a long position except when you see a breakout of this level of resistance. This is what you need to pay attention to and watch right now on these various charts. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.